egg at my door. Whose egg is this?
Not mine. My eggs are tiny.
Is this your egg?
Not mine. My eggs are big, but not this big.
I've never seen an egg this big.
What's inside? Word time. Egg. Big egg. Tiny egg. Whose egg is this? What's inside? Why won't it hatch? It needs a soft nest. Still nothing. I want to know what's inside. It needs to be warm. Let's move it into the sun. It's getting warm. I will keep it safe. Tap, tap. It's moving. Achoo! What's inside? Word time. Big egg. Soft nest. The sunlight is warm. What's inside? It's moving!